Boys and girls, I'm going to teach you how to spell zoo and farm animals' names and what the baby is called. Boys and girls, look at the word hippo. First, we will say the name together. Next, I want you to focus on each letter as we say the letter's name and clap. Do you know what the word focus means, boys and girls? Focus means to look closely at the letter and think. So let's try it. Let's say the animal's name together. Hippo. Focus on the letter H. H. Remember to clap as we say each letter. Focus. I. Focus. P. Focus. P. Focus. O. What did we spell? Hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Spells what, boys and girls? Hippo. Try it again. H-I-P-P-O. Spells what? Hippo. Great job. A baby hippo is called a calf. What is a baby hippo called, boys and girls? Calf. Remember, boys and girls, we're going to say the animal's name together. And what's the name? Yak. Now we're going to focus on each letter and clap as we say each letter's name. Here we go. Focus. Y. Focus. A. Focus. K. Spells what? Yak. Again, focus. Y. A. K. What's the animal's name? Yak. Focus. Y. A. K. Spells what? Yak. Great job again. A baby yak is called a calf. What is a baby yak called? Calf. Duck. Focus. D. Focus. U. Focus. C. Focus. K. Spells duck. Again. D. U. C. K. Spells what, boys and girls? Duck. Again. D. U. C. K. Spells duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. What is a baby duck called? Duckling. Pig. Focus. P. Focus. I. Focus. G. Spells pig. Again. P-I-G. Spells pig. Again. P-I-G. Spells pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. What is a baby pig called? Piglet. Donkey. Focus. D. Focus. O. Focus. N. Focus. K. Focus. E. Focus. Y. Spells donkey. Again. D. O. N. K. E. Y. Spells what, boys and girls? Donkey. Again. D. O. N. K. E. Y. Spells what, boys and girls? Donkey. A baby donkey is called a foal. What is a baby donkey called? focus, G, focus, O, focus, A, focus, T, spells goat. Again, G, O, A, T. Again, G, O, A, T. Great, boys and girls. And what does G-O-A-T spell? Goat. A baby goat is called a kid. What is the baby goat called? Kid. Jaguar. Focus. J. Focus. A. Focus. G. Focus. U. Focus. A. Focus. R. Spells what, boys and girls? Jaguar. Spell it again. J. A. G. U. A. R. Spells what? Jaguar. Again. J. A. G. U. A. R. Spells jaguar. A baby jaguar is called a cub. What is a baby jaguar called? Cub. Koala. Focus. K. Focus. O. Focus. A. Focus. L. Focus. A. Spells koala. Again. K. O. A. L. A. Spells koala. Again. K. O. A. L. A. Spells koala. A baby koala is called a joey. What is a baby koala called? Joey. Camel. Focus. C. Focus. A. Focus. M. Focus. E. Focus. L. Spells what, boys and girls? Camel. Again. C. A. M. E. L. Spells camel. Again. C. A. M. E. L. Spells camel. A baby camel is called a calf. What is the baby camel called? Calf. Hamster. Focus. H. Focus. A. Focus. M. Focus. S. Focus. T. Focus. E. Focus. R. Spells what, boys and girls? Hamster. Again. H. A. M. S. T. E. R. Spells hamster. Again. H. A. M. S. T. E. R. Spells hamster. Great job. Here's a hard one, boys and girls. But don't worry about it. Just have fun. Fun should be a time of learning new things too. So here we go. What is the word? Orangutan. Focus. O. Focus. R. Focus. A. Focus. N. Focus. G. Focus. U. Focus. T. Focus. A. Focus. N. What's the word? Orangutan. Here we go again. O. R. A. N. G. U. T. A. N. What's the word, boys and girls? Orangutan. Again. O. R. A. N. G. U. T. A. N. Now you get to see a mother orangutan with her newborn little baby. A baby orangutan is called a baby. What is a baby orangutan called? Baby. Check out my English language arts and math book with DVDs. Take a rest break and let me encourage and teach your child or children like we are in a classroom. Just put in the DVD and select a lesson from the table of contents and off we go. English language arts and math books are generic. They can be used for 1st through 3rd grade. All 3 learning styles are used so no child is left out.